Guys, how's it going? So, with 4th of July coming up, I thought it would be cool to show you guys how to draw a cartoon firework. So, to start off with our firework, we are going to begin with the eyes. So, I'm going to start right here in the middle of my paper, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then curves up like this. Then I'm going to start right here on the other side, and I'm going to make that exact same shape that does the same thing. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down and then comes all the way back up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a little circular shape. And then I'm going to put a small circle at the very top. And then I'm just going to color in that circle. Then over here, I'm going to draw a curved line. Put a little circular shape right there. And then I'm going to color in the rest of this circle. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves around like this. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up a little bit. And then it's going to curve back up here. We want to give them kind of like a evil smile. Then I'm going to draw two little curved lines right here. Then I'm just going to draw a little line right here for a tongue. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves around like this. And then another line that curves around like that. Then I'm going to draw a line that just comes down here at a curve. And then another line that just kind of comes down here at a curve. Then I'm just going to connect these with a curved line like that. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and another line that goes up like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like that. And then I want to make sure these are connected. Then I'm going to make a tall diagonal line like this. And then I'm going to make another diagonal line like this. Then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right down here for a chin. Then up here, I'm just going to connect these eyebrow lines right into there. And then let's give him some teeth in here. Just kind of make it look a little bit more interesting. Now down here we want to actually have the fire. So I'm going to draw a line that goes out at an angle. And then another line that goes out at an angle like this. Then I'm going to go in and out. Then in and out. Trying to keep them different sizes. Then I'm just going to continue that in kind of like a random little pattern here. And there you go. There is your little cartoon firework. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.